I'll do is just put the walker right in the water and just swim. Go slow, Renee. Go slow, Renee. Stop rushing, Renee. Breathe. 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 So the tide is going out, so that's why the walker is like sinking into the sand a little bit. So we're about two hours going out because high tide was 8:15. And the terrain is perfect. And my purpose in doing this is partial weight bearing and to be supported by the salt water for buoyancy. So I could partially weight bear and wake things up. The key doesn't have to come in. I like to get the walker wet, you think?
I don't know. We'll just have to dry it. Rinse it off and dry it.
I'm just gonna crawl in because
I'm gonna crawl in.
I think it's easier to do that. Oh my God, this is amazing! Woo. Thank you. Oh my God.
And she's
so
off.
good.